we're back with Science Bob today. What have you got for us today, Bob?
Today's very exciting. You know, people are saying it's a little cold outside. And I say, well, you don't know cold until you know liquid nitrogen, and that's what today's lesson is a little bit about. If you would, put your goggles on, safety first.
Okay.
Now we're dealing with liquid nitrogen here,
Okay.
so we're going to put on our safety goggles. Excellent. And hold this, there, just like that. Now that's just warm water there, and in this container is liquid nitrogen, and liquid nitrogen is minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, it's really cold.
Really cold.
So if it meets something like warm water, see, we get, oh, now look at that. Now, don't you feel like a mad scientist?
Oh, my gosh, I sure do.
Look at that. See, you don't need that fancy dry ice stuff. Liquid nitrogen will do it.
My
So yeah, 320 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. All right, you can put that down. I don't know how much you like it, but look at that. So that's good mad scientist stuff.
And I
there.
need the gloves.
Keep the gloves on. You need gloves
Okay.
because at 320 degrees below 0, if it does touch the skin, of course, you're going to drop the temperature of the skin. We'll do some experiments to kind of show that. So.
Okay.
You need a special container called a douar, which is a big container. I brought this in. We've kind of shifted it over to a smaller container. We're going to put it in a bowl here. Look at that.
Oh, my gosh.
And it's boiling. Now, you might, the kids say, why is it boiling if it's so cold? Well, of course, compared to 320 degrees below 0, this is a really hot environment.
Right.
And so that's why it's boiling there. So we blow up a balloon here. It's now filled with carbon dioxide. And we're going to put this in our liquid nitrogen. And I'm going to put my gloves on here. All right. There we go. So in it goes. And what's going to happen is it's going to slow down the molecules in my breath. They're in there. And the balloon is going to shrink. And you can see it getting smaller and smaller. And what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. We're going to see how small we can get this balloon. There we go. Look at that. Shrinking down. Shrinking down. And now it's pretty darn small. Let's flip it over again. Now, of course, my breath is still in there. It's
Yeah.
just kind of all compressed. Oh, I think we can get it even a little smaller. All right, now comes the fun part. We're going to flip it one more time. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
It's getting almost like a potato chip there.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's about as small as we're going to get it. All right, let's take it out. This is the fun part. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. There it is. Look at that. But wait,
Unbelievable.
let the magic begin.
Ah, like Jiffy Pop.
Exactly. So it got all brittle there for a minute.
Oh, my God.
Then I'm kind of warming it up with my breath. And then just like that, we're back to a regular bouncy balloon. Isn't that cool?
That is amazing.